Hello friends, today we are going to see a very simple topic. It's how to email file using a Google Drive. So what's this Google Drive? It's a Google account in which you get a 15 GB space and you can email heavy if heavy files. So let's see how it's done. This is my Google account and we'll see click to compose. Click on this upin attach files. I'll just show you by enlarging it. You just clicked over here. I've just made a rough random file. It's a 55 MB file, more than 25 MB. So just click over here, open. Now it's being getting attached on my Google Drive. See how how Google is so fast in uploading the files. It's getting uploaded. I'll show you a simple trick in which you can email heavy files. See, it's being uploaded. Now I'll just email it to any one person. Click send. Look carefully. Look send. Here is a option share with one person. So what you have to do, go to view and edit. If you click on edit, the opposite one will can download the emails. Then just you have to click send and the opposite one can download the files. Never do mistakes. Just click edit and everything is done. Thank you.